All right. It's day two. Did some offline mining. Decided to name this AI slop generator ShortForge and implemented it already. So we go over here, create this document, goes over the entire thing. Basically stated what I or states what I said last video. Let me just show you what it does. So let me open it up real quick. So why am I doing this? Or why would people want to create these kind of videos? Because probably just for fun. But some people run AI slop, some brain rot YouTube Shorts channels, make money off of that. With YouTube's new monetization policies, probably won't be possible for long, but there's always a way. Anyways, so there we go. Created this Flask app, and it's prompts you with a welcome screen, shows you if you want to do AI generated footage, stock footage, or just create your own using your own footage, whatever you get it from, just upload it. Yeah, because the meta for creating shorts, you would go to ChatGPT, ask it to generate a prompt, and then tell it to create a voiceover. Usually it's like 30 to 60 seconds, right? Then you take it to Gemini and then just ask it to generate photos. Take those photos, put it into Grok AI, make a bunch of short clips, take a video editing software, any, probably CapCut, put it together, and then what else? What else? And then, yeah, really just use CapCut to like put captions, and then take that script from ChatGPT, put it into 11 Labs, and then put that voiceover over the video in CapCut, and then try to crop out the watermarks if there's any in the whatever AI footage generation you used. So yeah, I decided to use or take all those techniques and put it into one app right here. Does this actually work? No, this is all just UI right now. I used Mobbin to get inspiration. I'll just show you real quick. I just looked up I have the free version, but I did use Runaway. Just go over here, yep. So what this does, you just go to these websites, shows you every single frame, you just copy it. And yeah, you just takes a photo and then you just put it into whatever LLM you're using. My setup is anti-gravity. I use two agents to do general work like security audits and one to give test cases based on edge or based on the code that changes. And then based on the code changes, it'll edit the stock to make sure it's accurate. Okay, let's see, let's go back. Okay. Little drop downs show you what each one provides. Let's go with the assistant first. It has a lot of settings. And yeah, Let's go here. Oh, that doesn't work. Cool. I gotta fix that. Okay. Settings doesn't work after pressing bring your own option from welcome screen. That's fun. All right. So, okay. And then sure, we can go back. Still welcome screen. Usually it works when I do this. Okay. Oh, putting mask controls. There you go. Okay, so the app itself is supposed to work without internet connection, but if you use API keys, that requires internet connection. What these do is so this Pexels key grants you access to a stock footage library if you wanted to use that. It's mainly used for the stock footage videos if you want to generate those. Jiffy, I don't know how to pronounce it. Jiffy. This is for overlays. Let's see. And obviously the Gemini API key. That's for the bulk of it. It generates your scripts and then the images and videos. The reason why I use this is because there's a free tier available. And obviously if you want to go over your free tier limit, you can just add more tokens, credits, whatever. That's why I like this a lot. Because realistically you can probably generate like a couple videos a day. Just wait till the preset period, that's fine. The whole point is to use this forever or ever. Or based on however these companies want to limit their API keys. Then we have the YouTube data API key. This is for okay. So we'll go back. Let's go to create your own. I believe it's here. Here you go. So the YouTube discovery helper. What it does is you enter a keyword and then you can click find videos. It will show you a bunch of links of the most similar videos to that keyword. So this is kind of like a little search engine. It's kind of useless, right? But it's if you want to clip from YouTube video. It'll let you know if it's licensed or not. If it's like, it'll give you a rating like, oh, this is not a good one to clip because high risk of copyright strikes. And then if you want to check out a channel, see like why they're doing so good, it gives you a CSV of their top 50 videos, and it gives you all the metadata, like oh they optimize the description, title, and then I believe that's about it. Keep discovery helper. It's mainly for like analyzing your competitors. And then I haven't made my own API key for this yet, so I haven't tested this out. But there's a little feature if you want to upload your video straight to YouTube. It's kind of dumb because you can literally just open YouTube in another tab and just like schedule a bunch of videos. There's no limit. I think TikTok is 10. Um, if you do it through Instagram, you need to do it through their Meta website. I forgot what it's called. Anyways, yeah. And then if you already run like Facebook ads for like e-commerce stores, you're familiar with that already. You just schedule it as many as you can. I'm not sure what the limit is for that, but I know YouTube is infinite, so you can just do that. That's why I just put YouTube here. And because they have their own API key, TikTok and Instagram, it's hard to do that unless you use like Playwright, but I'm not sure how expensive that is. Oh yeah, so the cool thing about this is since it's an app, uh, all your keys are saved like on your machine. It doesn't go anywhere. So you can see up here, on your it's on your machine. Okay. Right. And then watch. So if it closes out, just on the server. It doesn't actually close it. You gotta like close it like this. And then if I run it again, so Python .py. Goodness. And I go to settings. Okay, that doesn't work. Why is that? Okay. Styles screen should open. Launch. Advanced controls. Open settings instead of the settings button itself. Good. Yeah, so you can see, look, it's still here. If I pick this up, I don't know if it actually copies it. Let me see. Yeah, look, it says save locally, and then if I paste it, yeah, it doesn't work. All right, well, I, I'll put that in later. Wait, maybe it says save settings. Maybe if I close it. Oh, it doesn't even work. Let's see. Thanks. Oh wow. Okay, it doesn't work. Damn. When moving, keys, settings, and then close out. It still saves despite not pressing save settings. Oh, okay. Yep. Kind of these here, guided mode. Supposed to make sure you're moving along these steps from 1 through 9, one at a time. So let's say this is on. Then it would not highlight every single option. It would point you to the right direction. I need to make this a little more obvious because like what the hell? I barely even notice this. And then prompt only mode. That's if you don't want steps 1 through 9. You just want like to talk plain English or plain language or whatever. And just freaking generate. This doesn't work by the way because yeah, I don't know. Let's fix that. But today I just made the UI. Just do wait, let's check if this actually works. This is the default prompt. So if I delete this and then turn off prompt only mode, click restore example, I'll come back. What is this? This actually work? Create video. So perfect. Okay. So it's actually good. So when I click create video, it gives you a full error log. This is good. Tells you exactly what happened. Right here. No footage found. Upload clips. So then you go back up, upload footage. Use upload footage. Let's just upload and see what happens. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. Footage. Boom. Upload. Alright, that works. Clip selection. Okay, next captions. Okay. That's fine. Push audio. Little background music. That's fine. Okay, next overlays. Really need overlays. I want to do that. Can't go back home. Wait, can't just takes a while. Okay. Sure, let's do that. Compares. Let's do confused. Let's do one. So that works. Sound effects. I need to add a sound effects preview so you can hear what it sounds like. This is dumb. Okay, let's do this. And then enable specs. I need to add a little note saying you should enable that for the case of installation. Next create. So create it, see what works. Boom, 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 boom. Failed because not enough total for generation. Select the clip, total 10.4 seconds, but requested 15. It's good. Just go back to, let's see. Anyways, yeah, I gotta do a lot more testing, but I think you get the gist how this works. Um, yeah, in the future, I need to make an app that actually works. But so far, we got the UI down pretty much. Looks like garbage. It's all vibe coded, but for once it works. To make a landing page so that it can actually be distributed to anyone who wants to use this. Other than that, yeah, let me know. Give me tips because I don't know what I'm doing. I just saw it, or I just thought of the sick idea. I want to see if I can create it. All right, perfect. Thanks for watching.